Okay, so I have a problem. Aside from being terribly out of shape and out of breath on level ground. Not really level, but that's not the problem. Well, it is the problem, but I'm working on that. My problem is I have a tendency when I hike to stare at the ground in front of me instead of looking up at the sights. I don't know why I do that. Is it a posture thing? Is it lack of confidence? Obviously, I lack confidence, but I'm working on that. I'm still new to this whole solo hiking thing, but gotta fix it somehow, because if I become so hyper focused on where my next step is going to be, I'm gonna miss stuff like this. What do you think? Sky Bridge is pretty cool. But how much am I missing by watching my feet and not what lies ahead of me?